Green tea's 1001 attributes. If you've ever burnt yourself while cooking or suntanning, you can alleviate this pain by applying bags of green tea to the area, or using a cotton ball to apply a bit of the tea. You may think that green tea is a modern plant, or one of recent times, but there is nothing further from the truth. This is a 1,000-year-old plant, native to southern China, and it has 1001 attributes. Would you like to learn about the most important ones? Then keep reading this article. What you should know about green tea. It's a bush that measures up to 2.5 meters in height and likes humid and hot climates. It is scientifically named, but it is commonly known as green tea. This plant's active constituents include amino acids, fibers, pectins, vitamins B and C, minerals, iron, sulfur, calcium, magnesium and potassium, and more. Alkaloids, caffeine, flavonoids, polyphenols, catechins, thymol, tannins. You may not recognize the names of these constituents, and you might also not remember them when you go out to buy or drink green tea, but don't forget that they are very good for health. That is all you need to know. And there are good reasons why it is becoming more and more commonly consumed around the world. Since it has left Asian borders, production has risen to unexpected levels. What is green tea good for? You are reading this article to learn about the primary wonders that this amazing infusion offers. Therefore, we are going to talk about the most important ones. It's an astringent. It's useful for stopping diarrhea and improving stomach and intestine health. It's a stimulant. It's great for people that feel depressed, down and out, sad, or lacking motivation to get up, go to work, etc. It's also recommended for individuals that need to exert more physical effort than they were used to, moving, changing jobs, working in the garden, etc. It's not a good idea to drink a lot of green tea, as it can cause heart palpitations. It aids in weight loss. Without a doubt, one of green tea's most widely known qualities is that it aids in weight loss. It's connected with a lot of weight loss diets because it increases body temperature, activates the metabolism, and increases energy usage by burning fats. This is all due to its catechins. In order to achieve this effect, we advise drinking 1 liter of green tea throughout the day, either hot or cold. It's a diuretic. Combined with the previously mentioned property, this quality could also interest you if you want to lose weight. It is used in obesity treatments to increase urination for patients with kidney problems. This eliminates accumulated body fluids, prevents kidney stones, and fights fluid retention. It's an antioxidant. Recent studies have shown that green tea is anti-carcinogenic. In addition to its catechins, other responsible constituents include flavonoids, which prevent tumor formation, such as those in the breasts, for example. It is currently being investigated for efficacy against AIDS. It prevents migraines. This drink is often used by individuals with strong headaches because it constricts cranial blood vessels. Thanks to its caffeine, it noticeably reduces chronic migraine cases. It's a liver protector. Green tea protects liver health, one of the most important organs and one which we oftentimes don't pay enough attention to. It's good for treating hepatitis. It protects against liver degeneration and certain conditions, like cirrhosis. It's also good for detoxifying the body of additives from processed foods. In this case, we advise drinking 3 cups of the infusion a day. It's cholesterol-free. Green tea not only reduces LDL levels, but it also exerts a lot of positive effects on the circulatory system. For example, it tones the heart, protects against angina or myocardia, and helps blood flow more fluidly. It is a good vasodilator and promotes blood circulation. It's good for increasing male fertility. This is because it is full of an element called arginine, which seems to influence the amount and quality of sperm. It's an ally for the mouth. Green tea has the ability to reduce bad breath and to protect against various oral infections, including gingivitis, canker sores, and other kinds of sores. It's also great for fighting plaque and cavities. It's a wonderful antibacterial and has a fair amount of fluoride in it. It can be used to make mouth rinses. Ingredients: 1 handful of green tea leaves, or 1 tea bag. 1 cup water, 250 milliliters. Directions: boil both ingredients for 5 minutes. Remove and allow to cool. Strain and pour a bit in your mouth. Swish the rinse around so that it comes into contact with all areas of the mouth. It's useful for eye conditions. If you have swollen or tired eyes from being in front of the computer or phone for a long time, green tea can help. Not only does it reduce inflammation, but it's also useful for treating dark circles under the eyes, styes, conjunctivitis, and tired eyes. Make a tea by following the previous instructions and moisten a cotton ball in the liquid. Rub it over closed eyes. You can also apply it as a compress and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. It treats burns. If you've stayed under the sun too long without sunscreen, and that night you're red as a tomato. Take advantage of green tea's anti-inflammatory properties. Use green tea bags also if you've been burned by fire or something very hot. If the burn covers a large area, moisten a towel with a cold infusion and apply. It's antiseptic. Have you hurt or injured yourself? Do you have acne or psoriasis? Green tea can help. Its healing, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties will take care of your ailments.